the famous, I can't hold it. The famous lady. Oh my god, she's so heavy. No offense. Yeah. So this lady is Viva Jugoza. Acá. Viva Jugoza. Let it like that. She's going to be Viva Jugoza forever. Yes. Viva Jugoza forever. So, cleaning the edges a little bit. Perfect. She's so heavy. Come on, girl. She smells so great. Loving it. Oh my goodness. It was a little soft then again in the bottom of the soap, but remember, if in the top it's already hard, so if I let it sit more time, it will be more hard for me to cut it, and I don't want the soap to be breaking. So for that reason, even if it's a little soft, still I will cut it. It has oatmeal in it. Has oatmeal, has kaolin clay, has goat milk, has vitamin E, has coconut oil. Well, has a lot of things that are good for your body. So let's see how this lady look. Oh, just like her man. So this is the partner of A and F effect. This is a set soap that is already being sold, obviously. It's a wholesale. So yeah, I'm making a video just because, for my records. It's wonderful. The oatmeal in it is wonderful. I can't tell you when I smell this, the oatmeal right away. It's pleasant. I don't like it, but the fragrance in the soap is wonderful. How pretty. I like the swirls. I did the swirls just like the man version, so they're nice. I'm looking for the face. This soap is going to be about 4 to 6 weeks curing before the customer take them. I do wholesale. If you are interested in a custom soap, you can contact me via email, or you can contact me on Facebook or Instagram. All my information is in the description box below, also in the front of the video and in the end of the video. I do reasonable prices, and yeah. Oh, a fan. That's pretty. Is that a face? Nice. Pretty. Okay. This is the 18. Okay. Yes, this one also will have a sample bar. We found the face, just like the main version. The eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Wow. Wow. A creepy wow. So she was there, and he is there, and they are there. Oh my goodness. Nice. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Blessings to you all, and I love you.